Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be doing a review on this. This is the Revlon Photoready Candid foundation. This is what it looks like. And this is the end result of the makeup look that I came up with using this foundation. But before we get into the review, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave me a comment down below and share this review with anyone that you think might find it useful. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's get into the review. So this is the foundation right here. It's the Revlon Photoready Candid foundation. And I got mine from my local Priceline pharmacy. They have 16 shades and it retails for $24.95 Australian dollars. But when I went onto the Revlon website, they have 31 shades and it retails for $10.99 US dollars. And it's described as being an incredibly creamy, moisturizing and protective foundation that has ingredients that you do want without ingredients that you don't. So it says it is a skin enhancing, natural looking foundation that delivers a flawless finish all day long as it hydrates. You get medium coverage that feels weightless and looks like your best skin, and it feels good with anti-pollution, antioxidant and anti-blue light ingredients to protect your skin. And it is formulated without oils, parabens, phthalates, synthetic dyes and harsh fragrances. And again, it's available in 31 shades on the Revlon.com website. Now I was quite curious about the anti-blue light stuff, and when I googled anti-blue light ingredients, it basically says the best skincare ingredients to prevent blue light damage from your phone are antioxidants. So it says like it's formulated with antioxidants, anti-blue light and anti-pollution. So basically antioxidants are anti-blue light, and when you think of blue light, it's basically artificial light, so like LED bulbs, all our screens, so phones, computers, tablets, iPads, all of those gadgets emit blue light, but also the sun does emit blue light, and it says it's between 380 to 500 nanometers, so the wavelength that blue light that's what blue light wavelength is. So yeah, it's great that it says it protects you from blue light, because that would help anyone who sits in front of a computer all day, which is what I do, and anyone who's on their phone or on their watching TV, on their iPads, or like playing video games. It will help protect you from that light damage that comes from those gadgets. This comes in 22 mils, so normally you'd get 30 mils for foundations, but this one's 22 mils or 0.75 fluid ounces. So I'm going to use a brush to apply mine. I'm just going to do 2 pumps. So that's the foundation there. Okay, so this is the foundation all blended out. It does have a really soft fragrance to it, a very mild fragrance. It is medium coverage. I can still see my pigmentation through it, so it does look very skin-like. So what did it say? A skin enhancing, natural looking foundation. So yeah, it definitely looks skin-like. It enhances your skin, but it does look natural as well. And yeah, it's medium coverage, and it says you get medium coverage that feels weightless and looks like your best skin. It does feel weightless. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything on my skin at all, so that's really nice. If you're going to be wearing this all day, you want something that will feel weightless or feel like you're not wearing any makeup at all. So I didn't use mine with a primer because when I went on to see how to use the foundation, it didn't mention anything about a primer. It basically said like to dispense the amount you want onto a sponge, brush, your fingers, any kind of applicator that you like to use. And then it says blend onto your skin working from the center of your face outwards. And it says for best results, finish with Photoready Candid anti-pollution setting powder. So I just read that right now properly, which said finish with. So I guess you can definitely use a primer with it. Of course you can, like there's no foundation that you can't use a primer with. But anyway, we're gonna see how it works without. So this is what it looks like without a primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face and I'll come back and finish the review. Okay, so there we have the finished look. I used, again, the Revlon Photoready Candid foundation. And this is the finished look with all my other normal products that I use on my skin. It's definitely like a medium coverage. It definitely looks natural. It's not like full coverage. It doesn't look cakey at all. It looks really nice. All the other products that I put onto my skin on top of the foundation seemed to work really well as well. There was no problems with blending. There was no issues with that. The highlighter, the blush all looks quite nice on my skin. And when I used the spray, nothing happened. And it worked really well with the Fenty Beauty Powder as well. So my overall thoughts on the foundation are that it is a really nice foundation. It's lightweight, it's worked well with all my other products. It does have a really natural looking finish, so it's a great foundation for every day, which I'm guessing is what they're like marketing this towards, because they've put the anti-blue light kind of gimmicky words in there. But basically, if you have any products that contain antioxidants, they're going to help protect your skin from blue light as well. But yeah, I will continue to use this foundation until it's all gone. The only thing is that I wish it just came with a normal 30 mils. Like, I don't know why it doesn't come with the normal 30 mils. But yeah, it feels really nice. I don't feel like there's anything on my skin. It's not irritating it or anything. So yeah, I'll definitely continue to use this foundation until it's all gone. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below to let me know if you've tried this foundation out. And also like this video and share it with anybody that you think will find it useful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!